Okay guys, so I'm coming back from the market. I went to buy something. I'm making this video because I couldn't make a video this week. So I'm making this video because I want to talk about what I introduced last year. So last year I made a clothing brand and it was called Xeletial. Maybe some of you have seen it online. If you've not seen it, I'll put pictures in front of the screen. Last year I made Celestial and then it didn't go as planned. We made a couple designs and I'm going to be real with you, the designs were kind of shitty. They didn't go as planned because I was working by then, so I had to reinvest all my earnings and my pay into the brand. We sold a couple units. I introduced some cool new designs, but I still didn't get the audience I was looking for because I didn't have my targets of audience. I didn't have some people I was pushing the brand specifically to, because this is what I learned from so many videos I've watched. Whenever you make a brand, you should have a target audience. You should have people you are trying to push the brand to. I remember they said you should divide it into sections. Your niche. Maybe you are doing sportswear, you are trying to do streetwear. I had to research this year. I took this year upon myself to research and then do nothing about my brand because I wanted to choose my target audience. So I had to research a lot. I researched about sportswear, and then the target audience under sports, and then even sportswear. You have to decide on which type of sports are you going for, and under streetwear too, you have to choose which kind of streetwear target audience do you want. They have some streetwear you have to deal with quality clothing, and then some don't deal with quality clothing, they just deal with designs. They have cool ass designs, and then there's fashion. So I had to choose, and all these things you have to learn before you enter into the space of like making a brand, if you understand. So I had to learn all these things and taking my time learning all these things while in school and then studying. It wasn't really easy, and I've decided I want to bring back my brand. I want to bring it back. And now my target audience, I haven't mainly chosen it, but I think I'm going for streetwear. And then under streetwear, I'm going for not sick ass designs and then making cool shit for people to wear. I'm going for upcycling streetwear. Upcycling is mainly you taking clothes already made and then changing it. So I'm not going for any cool ass designs, no hairstyle type of designs. We are going upcycling. Upcycling streetwear. I don't know if it's already been made, but I'm trying to bring it. That's the type of niche I'm going under, upcycling streetwear. So if I make it, you people feel it, then why not give it to my community? You get it. Xeletial is mainly under upcycling streetwear. We are not doing any designs anymore. Any designs you see is just to promote our name. We are not selling any design or merch if it is not upcycled. This is just a mini vlog and then try to explain what I learned and then what I'm going for my brand. And those who didn't know that I had a brand, well, I guess now you guys know. I pray my brand gets the type of audience it's looking for. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you later on. Bye.